Welcome to Low Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore the different options that you have when you turn your form into a quiz. To begin, in order to turn your form into a quiz, go to the Settings menu, click, and at the top you should have a little toggle button that will ask you, make this a quiz. Right? If you do decide to make it a quiz, you'll be able to assign point values, set answers, and automatically provide feedback in your quiz. Now, unless you have this on by default, you will have to toggle this on. But once you do, you will see all the different options that you have. When would you like to release grades? You can release them immediately after each submission, or you can release them later after you've had a chance to review the responses. You can require that respondents to the quiz take the quiz with a locked browser. This does require that students taking the quiz are on a managed Chromebook. If they are at home on a laptop or something else that is not managed by your school or district, they will not be able to have their browser locked, and you're going to lose a little bit of quiz security that way. And then you have some other options. Do you want your students to see questions that they have missed, yes or no? Do you want students to see correct answers after they submit the quiz? If students are going to be taking this at different times during the day, you probably don't want that on. Do you want students to know how much each question is worth in terms of points? And then you can also set a default point value for your quiz questions. Maybe it's one, maybe it's going to be something else. Maybe you're going to ask a lot of questions where they're going to be worth 5 points. Students have to do some writing. Could be a number of reasons why you would not use default points, or you would set it to something besides 1. But these are the different quiz options that you have when you turn your Google form into a quiz.